raining, beloved, and the light of God is out, shining. It shines anyway. It's just hidden by the clouds. And over yonder, right in front of me, where I decided to park tonight, it's a sign of hope. Beautiful rainbow. Stretching all the way over. See there? Can you see it? Stretching all the way over. Around the earth. I remember one time I was joking with my children, told them I was gonna go, we were gonna find the end of the rainbow, see if we could find a pot of gold. And my daughter told me that the rainbow doesn't end. You can't get to the end of the rainbow. It's like joy, happiness, hope. There's no end. Let's not make it an end. Let's make this the beginning. Grow. We're going to take this hope that we have from God, all these beautiful colors of the world, and we're going to paint a beautiful picture. That picture is called Greatness Reach Over Oppression Through Wisdom, and it stretches all over the world. All of us. Every man, woman, boy, and girl. On this highway of life, this journey that we on, keep your eyes focused on the prize. Destination up ahead is greatness. Keep hope alive. Even though you may not see it, you may see it, and then you may not see it, but it's there. God is our hope. Keep hope alive. God bless you as you grow.